Camel pantry. Yeah, get it. Yeah.
Now we have 2 Mr. Pings.
Pencils. Yeah. Lisa's right toys here. We open more Kung Fu Panda.
Yay!
Can you show the first egg?
Nice.
Whoa.
Camel pantry. Yeah, get it. Yeah.
Alright, can you open it up? Let's see what's inside. Okay. Now what's inside?
Yeah, who's inside?
Okay, let's see. Who is it? Oh?
It's Belle.
Can I see him?
Hello, Bao.
Uh-oh, duplicate.
Yeah. No, somebody, you give me that chocolate back. Okay, so let's move the yummy chocolate, and we're gonna eat this later. Maybe Daddy's gonna eat it all.
No!
So last time we got these with the other Kinder eggs.
Yeah.
So now we have our first duplicate. So we'll just put him
No.
where?
Right here.
Right there? Okay. Right
Right there?
like that. Say hello, Bao.
Hello, Belle. It's time for another Kinder egg.
Here we go.
Whoop.
Wonder what's inside.
Ooh. No! No!
What is it?
Who's that?
It's Kung Fu Panda.
Whoa! Hey man, I'm Kung Fu Panda. All right. Hey, look, is that chocolate? I'm gonna eat it. Yep. Oh, what's on my face? I got chocolate. Oh no! He's falling everywhere. Would you like to open another Kinder egg?
Yeah.
Let's do it. There we go. Yeah, oh! Who is it? It's...
Oh.
Oh my goodness.
Oh.
Baby, who is it? Who is it?
Hiya! Alyssa, we don't have any girls in the line.
We need some girls, because you know what we need? Girl power!
Oh, there's a girl right there.
No.
That's not a girl, that's Kung Fu Panda's dad!
Mr. Ping.
That's Mr. Ping! Mr. Ping isn't a girl!
Yes, he is.
No! Now what's inside?
Oh.
Oh my. Alyssa,
Duplicate.
who is that? Now we have 2 Mr. Pings.
What?
Who do you think we should try to get? Do you think we should try to get that one?
Kai.
You want to get Kai?
Yeah.
What about Mei Mei?
Yeah, man.
Mei Mei.
Oh, a tigress.
And here we go. Okay, here we go. No, stop it. Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be? And it's... Who is that, Alyssa?
Who is it?
Put him
Oh.
Now 3 couple
Here.
letters.
Okay.
Hiya.
We have only 1 more Kinder egg. Who do you want more than anybody to be in this egg? You want Mei Mei?
Oh.
Why? Tell mommy why you want Mei Mei.
I think my Mamie is cute.
Mei Mei. I'm trying to do magic. Who is it? Who is it? Oh!
Come on!
Oh. Another Master Chef.
These were all the Kung Fu Panda Kinder eggs that we got.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
So,
And then the other one that you threw away was 12.
I can't wait to see Kung Fu Panda 3. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure to get all